Have you ever pondered on the relevance of ancient wisdom in our modern world? As we navigate through the complexities of the 21st century, it's worth considering the lessons we can glean from our ancestors. Imagine the knowledge they held. Picture their understanding of the world, their insights into human nature, their grasp of the universe. They didn't have access to the advanced technologies we do today, yet their wisdom remains timeless and relevant. Now consider the idea of wisdom. It is not merely the accumulation of knowledge, but the application of it. A good idea left on the shelf doesn't even collect dust. Wisdom is knowledge put into action. It's the key that opens the door to possibilities, to dreams, to aspirations. Yet too often we become overwhelmed. We dread the effort required, the discipline needed. We worry about not knowing enough, and these thoughts prevent us from taking action. But remember this: where focus goes, energy flows. If we concentrate on our fears, we will remain in that state of fear. But if we shift our focus to what we want, to what's good and healthy for us, the potential for change is limitless. The hardest part is the beginning. It's when we have to let go of the old rituals, old habits, old thought patterns, old belief systems that no longer serve us. Most of what we think we believe is someone else's opinion, not our own. We're programmed to a certain degree, and it's easy to become trapped in a fishbowl of our own making, unable to see the real world. Stagnation leads to decay, both mentally and physically. It's a downward spiral that affects every aspect of life, but the choice is always ours. We can choose to step outside our comfort zone, to challenge ourselves, to strive for growth and well-being. We are multidimensional beings in a multidimensional universe. Life isn't black and white, and we can grow in all directions if we so desire. The motivation for growth is the enjoyment of life, the sharing of our gifts, the creation of wonderful moments. So how can we harness this ancient wisdom in our modern world? It begins with awareness. Recognize where you are now and where you want to be. Then take action. Execute the tasks that will lead you to your desired outcome. See it, believe it, and do it. Remember, the courage to start is the first step towards wisdom. Reflect, reassess, edit, and repeat. This is the cycle of growth, of wisdom, of life. To summarize, ancient wisdom is not just about the accumulation of knowledge, but the application of it. It's about focusing on what's good and healthy, letting go of old beliefs, and stepping outside our comfort zone. It's about recognizing our multidimensional nature and taking action towards our desired outcomes. Most importantly, it's about having the courage to start. This is the essence of ancient wisdom and its relevance in our modern world.